What's up guys, girl Nikki. I am back with another banger. Matt's over there. We did take off the decals on the truck, and this is the results. You guys can't really tell on camera. Hold on. Wait, you guys can't, kinda. You guys can kinda see it. Like a little bit. But it's gonna look like that for like a couple of days until, because this is what the truck actually looked like at the color, and the green that's on it right now is like got sun on it and dirty, and that stuff has never got dirty before. It's gonna look like that for a couple of days, and then it's gonna look 10 times better once it starts getting sun. And we finally took out the decals. So now we don't have decals on it, and now it's officially our truck. So it looks so different without like stickers or anything on it. But we did save one from the person who had it because he wanted to have a worm. So he's cutting out the worm right now. So yeah, but got the worm. It's all cut out for him. So he could probably, I don't know what he's gonna put it on. He might put it on a truck, who knows?
I doubt that it's gonna be sticky after that.
Yeah, but if you like, I don't know.
If you buy glue.
Yeah. But now,
Where's that wet rag you have?
outside. But now we are gonna go in a few minutes and get the truck a bath because it hasn't gotten one. And there's a bunch of salt and everything all over it. So that's what we're about to do in about 5 seconds.
Literally after I wipe the salt.
Yeah. We're gonna go to the power washer.
Then run to my mom's house.
And then drop off that stuff.
We do not videotape there because my mom does not like it.
Yeah.
She does not want her house to be all over the internet. So out of respect, we do not film there. But it's on a Jordan box, my new shoes.
Yeah, wait, oh yeah, we gotta show you guys. Yeah, he doesn't want me to wear them outside.
No, I didn't say that. We were working in the mud.
And
I didn't want her to ruin her new shoes.
Look, but guys, they're shoes!
Alright, when you spend over $100 on a pair of shoes, do you want to ruin them in the first day?
I spent $120 on them, alright guys? He spent $100 on his, and then we got a deal out of it. So, it's just shoes, you know, it's gonna get dirty eventually.
Not on my watch.
Not on your watch? Alrighty, babe. But alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're almost at the car wash.
Fucking people just took a picture of my truck.
Yeah, we're becoming famous with this green truck. Everybody's gonna notice us, like all you guys are gonna notice us if you ever come in Ohio. Yeah, you can see this truck. You see it out of nowhere. We spot out. Yeah, that's what's up, y'all. Alright, we're at the power washer, so stay tuned guys.
Oh shit.
We're up it. Alright guys, we're at the power washer.
It almost didn't fit.
Oh, it actually fit in here. It's just when you come in, that is like really close. Like, yeah, it was pretty close. Like, this big baby needs a big wash.
Is this a paint or is it a wrap?
Alright guys, I'm gonna put quarters in first before I put bills in. 12 minutes to do this, guys. So you can still kind of see it, but it ain't as bad. Yeah. Don't forget this. Woo. Nice and clean. Oh my god. So dirty. It looks so different without.
We didn't find a screw for that.
Yeah. It looks so different without the letters on it. Guys. What? Yeah. I have vlog.
We'll have to take that one side out and drop that base and buy a new one.
What?
I said we'll have to take that one side off and take that cap off until we get home so we can buy a new one.
Yeah, this is coming out.
The bolt's probably been cut off and it got loose.
Sorry guys, it's getting a little wet. Well, just doing that made it so much nicer.
Here, flip. I got the camera now. I'm trying. Alright guys, you're gonna help me turn it. There we go. Now it's on foam brush. So we're gonna go watch her do it. We still got 9 minutes. Took me 3 minutes to spray it. It takes a lot longer to rinse all this soap off. It's a big old truck, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna wipe you guys off real quick, so you're gonna go black for a second. Oh yeah. Look at her soaping up them tires. We just had someone come in here and ask us what happened to the decals. And I told him, I was like, I had to take them off. Oh yeah, look at her scrub it. Getting her nice and shiny. Now, the reason she scrubs and I power wash is because I power wash twice as fast as she does. And she still wants to do something. So, she's like, can I at least scrub it? I'm like, yeah. I don't have to do it then. I'm smart, right guys?
What's that cover?
What cover? That one don't have one.
Oh.
That's so I can lock my front diff.
Oh.
That feels good, huh?
Oh. Guys, look at it. It's so much watery this time.
That's good. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Yes, we know you're gonna. Oh, actually, can't really see the lettering too much after she wiped it off. I mean, you could see it, but you can't. It's a lot better than what it looked like earlier. Whoa, watch the truck. Don't dent it now. Geez, she only did a half of a truck in 2 minutes. I sprayed the whole truck off in 3. I just love giving her a hard time.
I'm trying to get all this black stuff off, folks. These black stuff off.
Who are you? Don't forget my tire. It needs to be nice and shiny. She knows I'm joking when I tell her. She's the one that would complain if it ain't shiny. Watch hitting the truck.
You haven't bought the whole thing.
Alright guys, she'll tune back in when I start spraying it off.
Alright guys, so he's rinsing it off. looks nice and shiny, guys, don't it? Alright, guys. I'm gonna put the camera up before it gets more wet, and I don't want to ruin it. But alright, stay tuned, guys. I love all the one of you guys. You're amazing. She's clean now, guys. There's a line out there for the power washer. They only have like 3 openings, and there's usually like 5. Nice and clean. You know what I'm talking about, guys?
You're gonna have to watch out, buddy.
But the red truck's like. Alright, guys. We're gonna go to his mom's house, drop off some stuff, and then we'll stay tuned with you guys. And oh my god, it's smoking from the cool. You see, you guys? Alright, peace. Alright, guys, so we're leaving his mom's house right now. And he wants to go get a Frosty from Wendy's.
No.
Not anymore now. He's like, I don't want to get one, so he's not going to get one.
Yeah.
So we're going to go home and see the dogs and maybe do something later, but I'm not positive, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, we're just getting home. We stopped and got some stuff from the store.
My mom gave us chicken for the dogs.
Hi, babies. Hi, babies.
You guys want your chicken now or
Hi,
later?
babies. Guys, so we got this thing that itches your head. How's it feel?
It tickles it. Try it.
I have my hat on. Alright, let me take off my hat. Oh my god, no, my. Oh, feels good. Try it on the dogs.
Oh, it's okay. Come here.
They're funny.
Okay. Say, wow, that feels good.
That feels good, Dad. That feels good, Daddy.
Yeah, Dad.
You got my puppy. You got my doggy. Yeah, I do. Get it. Get it. She's trying to get the new toy. Oh, look, right here. Look, it's right here. They got a new toy. Look at the rinse. What are you doing? What are you trying to get? Ready? You ready? Ready? Go get it!
It whistles. Let me see. Hey, stop. Yeah, watch.
It whistles! That's epic! They're gonna love that toy. They're gonna chew it up in like seconds. I already know it, but
Oh, I ripped it.
Really?
Go long.
Ready, guys? Ready, guys? We're gonna catch it. Ah! We're gonna film.
All right, Dad.
No, they took it.
No, don't whip it. Oh.
Alright, guys. So we're gonna go fix the truck right now. We gave it a bath, as you guys can tell. And then, now we're gonna, because the stack is like rattling, so we have to tighten that. And then, for some reason, the light in the cluster for the miles per hour will not light up. So I think he just has to twist the ball back in. So, yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna be doing today. It's gonna be a lame video, but at least I got a video out for you guys today. So make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you guys get uploads. We upload every single day now. I know for sure we're gonna be uploading every single day. But alright, guys, stay tuned. Alright, guys, so what I was saying is like, well, like now when we drive, all it does is do that and make noises. So I'm gonna try to fix this. It looks like it's the bed. What the heck? And look how huge these seat clamps are. We need to clean out the back of this truck. Looks nasty. But so what we're gonna do is probably tighten this and see if it makes any difference. So yeah, stay tuned. And they did do the back here. I didn't notice that. They did this. Not so shabby. Alright, guys, so I got the size that I need to do that, so let's see if it works. Sorry guys, I ran out of storage.
Oh, tight.
but like, I just can tell, like, I don't get it. This whole thing's loose. Then that's why they have pieces of wood like that. I think it just slipped out. Unless that ain't holding anymore and it cracked. Yeah, it looks like it cracked right here. And it's not holding anymore.
Babe, you know where that long extension is?
Alright guys, so we put that piece of wood in and then I hammered this back. And then now it's like, whoa. It's like, it's sturdier than what it was. And it's actually, wow, that thing's dirty. It's actually even than it was before, so we're done with that. Thank God. Alright guys, so Matt took off this thing. He's gonna get the cluster out and see why the light's not turning on. But he actually got it off pretty fast than last time. How come, babe? How come? Oh shit! God, look at this extension. Alright guys, so we might have actually fixed the issue.
Fix it, yeah. Oh yeah, look.
Why did it zoom in? But yeah, like there's a fitting on here, like right there. And if you push it hard enough in there, it's loose. Like the wiring thing is loose.
Shit, I forgot about the other wire on the bottom.
So hopefully we can like zip tie or something. So we don't even have to spend fucking a fortune for it and get everything fixed. Got black stuff on my face. But alright guys, this is pretty much gonna be our video for today. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications, and we'll be posting every single day, so give this video a thumbs up. And we're out here. Peace. I love every single one of you guys.